Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a web app with GitLab CI/CD step by step clearly. To deploy a web app with GitLab CI/CD, begin by ensuring you have a GitLab account and a repository set up. First, create your web application locally on your machine. Ensure your application runs perfectly before you proceed with deployment. Next, navigate to your GitLab project page. Click on the Settings tab in the sidebar. Select CI/CD within the Settings menu. Expand the Variables section to define environment variables if needed. Now, create a new file in your project root directory named .gitlabci.yml. This file will define your CI/CD pipeline. Start by specifying the stages of your pipeline. For a basic deployment, you might include stages like build, test, and deploy. In the .gitlabci.yml file, begin by creating the build job. Specify the stage as build and add the necessary script commands to build your application. Next, create a test job within the .gitlabci.yml. Set the stage to test and include commands to run your application's tests. After successfully passing tests, proceed to define the deploy job. Set this stage as deploy. You will need to include a script for deploying your application to the chosen environment. If you're deploying to a server, ensure you include SSH commands to connect to it. Next, specify the environment for your deployment. This can be a production or staging environment, depending on your needs. Optionally, you can define deployment conditions, such as only deploying on the main branch. It's time to commit your changes to the repository. Push your .gitlabci.yml file to GitLab. Once your changes are pushed, navigate to the CI/CD section in your GitLab project. Here, you will see your pipeline running through the defined stages. Monitor each job to ensure that the build and tests complete successfully. If any job fails, review the logs to identify and fix the issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.